Hello students, today we are going to look for class 6 maths revision session MCQs of chapter number 8 to 14. I recommend you to watch this video after clearing all your concepts of chapter number 8 to 14. This session is very important for the exam point of view because many times in examination they are asking multiple choice question, or you can say all these questions in the form of objectives. So let us go with the multiple choice question of chapter number 8 to 14. Question number 1. 5 meter is equal to dash. Your options are 0.5 kilometer, 0.05 kilometer, 0.0005 kilometer or 0.005 kilometer. So your answer is option number D, that is 0.005 kilometer. Now let us solve this question. See, we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 5 meter कितना हो जाएगा आपका? You have to do like this, 5 upon 1000. So you have to place the decimal point according to the number given, according to the number of zeros. So here 3 zeros, it means 1, 2, 3 point and 0. Fine. So your answer is 0.005 kilometer. Next one, the expression for 2 added to p is dash. 2 added to p, it means 2 को आपको ऐड करना है p के साथ, 2 को ऐड करना है p के साथ. अब हम देख लेंगे यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में, ऑप्शन नंबर ए में ही ऐसा हमें दिख रहा है. ये तो 2 माइनस पी है तो होगा ही नहीं, 2 प्लस 4p भी नहीं होगा. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट वन, द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर 5 सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम z इज डैश. 5 सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम z, फ्रॉम z यानी आपको z पहले लेना है, सब्ट्रैक्टेड मतलब माइनस करना है, और क्या माइनस करना है? 5 माइनस करना है. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट वन, the ratio of 50 centimeter to 1 meter is dash. Now see, always remember whenever you have to find out the ratio, आपका units same होना चाहिए, लेकिन units अलग अलग है. So make it same and always remember, convert always bigger unit to smaller unit to make the sums easy and calculation easy. So 50 centimeter and 1 meter, 50 centimeter as it is रहेगा, 1 meter कितना हो जाएगा? 100 centimeter. Okay, now both are in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So your ratio will be 1:2. Option number A is the correct answer. Next one, the ratio of 25:125 is dash. 25 1s are 25, 25 5s are 125. See, you can directly cancel with the table of 25. If you go with the table of 5 तो भी आपको यही आंसर मिलेगा, but better go with the table of 25. And see, learn the table of 25 because in many of the chapters in your class or in the higher classes you will be requiring the table of 25. It is very important. So I recommend you to learn the table of 25. It is more good for you. And always cut whenever the reduction type of sums comes. Always try to cancel with the bigger table so that it saves time and it makes your calculation easy and faster. So 1:5 is the correct answer. Area of rectangle is equal to dash, that is L cross B or L plus B. Answer is option number A, L cross B. Learn all the formulas of mensuration chapter. It is very important for this class as well as for higher classes. Next question. Question number 7. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to dash. 2LB or 2 into bracket L plus B. The answer is option number B, that is 2 into bracket L plus B. Next one. If the length is equal to 60 meters and breadth is equal to 110 meters, then find the ratio of L is to B. कैसे निकालेंगे हम? L is to B, it means C. L is 60 and B is 110. 0 and 0 cancel. What is left? 6:11 is your perfect answer, क्योंकि 6 और 11 को अब हम कट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो वही आपका फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ मेनी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री आर देयर इन रेक्टेंगल. जैसे ये रेक्टेंगल है हमारा, तो इसमें कितनी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री होती हैं? इसमें हमारी होंगी 2 लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री. Okay, 2 lines of symmetry exist in the case of rectangle. See, generally the students make mistake and they write 4 lines of symmetry exist in rectangle, but that is wrong. टू लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री होगी अगर आप रेक्टेंगल को एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में और what I say, if you can try this by folding a rectangular piece of paper in 4 different ways like this. Horizontally it will get fold, vertically it will get fold, but if you try to fold it in slant way, diagonal, then you will be able to see that it is not symmetrical. Hence you can say only 2 lines of symmetry exist in rectangle. Next one, how many lines of symmetry exist are there in square? So children, look that in square you are always having 4 lines of symmetry possible. Okay, 4 lines of symmetry exist in case of square. Next one, how many lines of symmetry does the isosceles triangle have? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Whose two sides are same and one side is different. So say for example, this is isosceles triangle. So इसमें always remember only one line of symmetry exist. Okay. Next one. How many lines of symmetry does the scalene triangle have? Scalene triangle में कितनी lines exist करती हैं? तो scalene triangle means what? All the 3 sides are different. This is the scalene triangle. तो इसमें एक भी लाइन एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी. 0 LOS. Always remember this. 0 LOS. Next one. How many lines of symmetry does the equilateral triangle have? Equilateral means all 3 sides same. All the 3 sides same होगी. तो इसमें like line will exist here. One line like this and one line like this. 3 LOS exist in case of equilateral triangle. Next one, how many lines of symmetry does the circle have? Circle के अंदर कितनी lines होंगी? Circle के अंदर there will be infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, कैसे भी आप circle को fold करोगे वो symmetrically होगा. So always remember circle का अगर पूछते हैं infinite will be your answer. Next one, which of the following letters has horizontal line of symmetry? Horizontal line of symmetry किस में exist करती है? O में? Yes. A में exist करेगी? नहीं. ठीक है, इसमें तो vertical line of symmetry exist करेगी. Fine. Then J में भी exist नहीं करेगी. So only O is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following letters has horizontal and vertical line of symmetry? ठीक है, J में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी, A में आपका हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बट व्हाट अबाउट H? H में देयर विल बी हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल लाइन ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड E में देयर विल बी ओनली हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बट नॉट वर्टिकल लाइन. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर C, H. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेटर हैज़ नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? एक भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं है ऐसा. P, देखो P में आप हॉरिजॉन्टल भी नहीं कर सकते हो, वर्टिकल भी नहीं कर सकते हो. सो P इज़ द लेटर विच डजेंट हैव एनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. बाकी सब में आपकी हो जाएगी. ठीक है, डायमीटर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज डैश. डायमीटर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज डैश. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर सर्कल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर सर्कल, दिस इज योर सेंटर पॉइंट. सो द लाइन okay which is passing through the center of the circle, okay, and touching and starting point is any point on the circle, ending point is also any point on the circle, and it is passing through the center of the circle. That line is your diameter. Or you can say the line segment touching the two endpoints on the circle and passing through the center of the circle, that is your diameter. What about radius? So radius is the line segment joining the center to any other point on the circle, that is your radius. So this is radius, this is radius. How many radius? 2 radius. 2 radius will make 1 diameter. Hence I can say diameter is 2 times radius. Fine. So your answer is option number B, that is 2 times radius. Next one, if radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter, then diameter is equal to dash. So diameter is equal to 2 times radius. That is 2 multiply radius कितना दिया है आपको? 4.2. So the answer is what? 8.4 centimeter. Okay. So your answer is option number B. Next one, 20th question. You have to add the decimal numbers 0.0009 plus 0.8000 plus 1.5690. If you will be adding, you will be getting 2.3699. Okay, so the answer is option number C. Next one, if Rita's present age is y years, what was her age in years 15 years back? 15 years back पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, तो आप क्या करोगे? अगर प्रेजेंट एज उसकी y है तो 15 साल पहले, बैक मतलब पहले, सो कितना हो जाएगा? -15 हो जाएगा. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज़ y -15. अगर आपसे बोलते 15 ईयर्स आफ्टर बोल देते तो आपका ये वाला ऑप्शन सही हो जाता, y + 15. ठीक है. और अगर प्रेजेंट एज ही बोल रहे हैं तो प्रेजेंट एज आपकी y दे ही रखी है. ठीक है. तो सी इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. बैक बोल रहे हैं तो -15 करेंगे, आफ्टर बोल रहे हैं तो +15 करेंगे, एंड y इज अर प्रेजेंट एज. Next question, from the following table find the following questions. Ice cream flavor is given in the fun column, and in the second column the number of students has been given. What? Vanilla, strawberry, butterscotch, mango and chocolate, and the number of students has been given. 8 students like vanilla, 5 students like strawberry, butterscotch liked by 3 students, mango liked by 9 students and chocolate liked by 12 students. अब इसमें से देखो मैंने पॉसिबिलिटीज़ बनाई हैं कि क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आपके बन सकते हैं. ओके, सो मोस्ट कॉमन आइसक्रीम, विच इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन आइसक्रीम हियर? मोस्ट कॉमन आइसक्रीम इज अवर the ice cream which is liked by more number of students, that is chocolate. So your answer is chocolate. Most rarest ice cream मतलब जो सबसे कम पसंद है, that is butterscotch because it is only liked by 3 students. So butterscotch is your answer. Next one, total number of students. Total number of students सबको हमें प्लस करना पड़ेगा. 8 + 5 + 3 + 9 + 12. Your answer is 37. Next one, maximum frequency students. Maximum frequency students कहाँ पे हैं? चॉकलेट में है. maximum frequency means सबसे ज़्यादा students. So that is 12 liked by 12 students like chocolate. So चॉकलेट फ्लेवर में सबसे ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स हैं. देन मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ पे हैं? सबसे कम स्टूडेंट्स कौन से फ्लेवर में हैं? बटरस्कॉच. So your answer is butterscotch. Then difference between the minimum frequency and maximum frequency. So minimum and maximum frequency में हम difference देखेंगे. मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी कहाँ पे है? बटरस्कॉच में, और मैक्सिमम यहाँ पे चॉकलेट में है. इन दोनों को माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर इज़ हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स? 9 स्टूडेंट्स. सो योर आंसर इज़ 9 स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट वन, डैश रिप्रेजेंट्स द डेटा थ्रू बार्स. Dash represents the data through bars, that is bar graph or pie chart. The answer is bar graph. Okay, you must have seen in your book like this, there will be 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. Here is the origin and the data is represented using bars. This type of graph is known as bar graph. Fine. So your answer is option number A. Next one, dash represents the data through pictures or pictures of objects. So representing the data in the form of pictures is known as pictograph, not line graph. Fine. Next one, dash represents the data through circle divided into slices. So that is what? Circle graph or pie chart. Option number A is your correct answer. The cost of a pen is 10 rupees. The cost of a pencil is 5 rupees. Find the ratio of pen is to pencil. देखो, रेशियो में आपका ऑर्डर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. पेन का कॉस्ट है वो पहले रखेंगे और उसके बाद ही पेंसिल का कॉस्ट रखेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स जनरली मेक द मिस्टेक, ओके, वो दोनों को उल्टा कर देते हैं और उसके बाद फिर उन्हें प्रॉब्लम आती है, उनका आंसर नहीं निकलता है. सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक विच स्टूडेंट्स मेक. एंड द सेकंड थिंग विच यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन इज रेशियोज आर ऑलवेज यूनिटलेस. तो अगर अलग अलग यूनिट दिया है तो आप ऑलवेज कन्वर्ट करो, और कन्वर्ट भी कैसे करना है? बिगर टू स्मॉलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है. बट यहाँ पे तो कोई यूनिट का तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज मेंटेनिंग द ऑर्डर. वॉट एवर इज रिटन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक द वैल्यू इट फर्स्ट, एंड वॉट एवर इज रिटन आफ्टरवर्ड्स उसका वैल्यू आपको बाद में ही लेना है. सो पेन का कितना कॉस्ट है? 10 रुपीज़. उसके बाद पेंसिल का बोला है, पेंसिल इज़ ऑफ 5 रुपीज़. कैंसिल करेंगे, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 2 ज़ा 10, so the ratio becomes 2:1. So your answer is option number B, that is 2:1 is the correct answer. Next one, find the perimeter of the following shape. इसका perimeter निकालना है. What do we mean by perimeter? Summation of all the boundaries, that is known as your perimeter. Summation of all the boundaries. So see here, the length of measurement of all the boundaries has been given. We will be adding them. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 plus 6, that is 15. Okay, 15 is given here. So your answer is option number B is the correct answer. 15 meters is your perfect answer. It means the perimeter of this shape is 15 meters. Okay, so this was all about for today. I hope everybody enjoyed and liked the video. And if you have any doubts, then you can comment me in the comment section. Else, stay tuned and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Share this video among your friends. Do comment me for any query if you are having. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching my video. And in the next videos, I'll be bringing up more revision session of this chapter. Thanks for connecting.